The gentlewoman now from New York, Ms. Velazquez, is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ms. Secretary Yellen, welcome to the committee, and thank you for being here. I just want to say that I have great respect for my friend and colleague, Mr. Scott, but he does not speak for all members on this side of the aisle on the Basel III proposal. I, for one, support stronger capital requirements at our largest institution, and I want the record to reflect that. Ms. Yellen, the FSOC's annual report identifies property insurance, which is becoming prohibitively expensive or inaccessible for homeowners and developers, as an increasing risk to financial stability. This is becoming a more pervasive issue in my community, particularly when it comes to affordable housing. How is FIO working with the NAIC, insurance carriers, and state regulators to analyze this increasingly important issue?
Thank you for that question. We're very focused on rising insurance costs in particular areas of the country and the risks that it poses to homeowners, to banks, to financial stability. FIO has been working to improve our understanding of the ways in which climate change is impacting the availability and cost of insurance coverage. And in early January, OMB approved a data collection effort by FIO that would be at the zip code level to collect granular data to evaluate what's happening to insurance premiums and availability across the country. FIO looks to work with the NAC that's engaging in a similar effort to reduce the burden associated with this data collection, and that collaboration is ongoing.
And how is FIO working to ensure that it is not duplicating efforts already conducted by the NAIC or state regulators?
So there is a collaboration. The focus is and need for data is slightly different for NAC and FIO, but I think there's a good chance that they will be able to collaborate and go out with a single collection in order to collaborate and reduce burdens on insurance companies.
And has the council or FIO had any conversations with HUD on how these insurance premiums are impacting the operation of its affordable housing programs?
I believe that FIO and the council have had discussions. I know they have had discussions with other agencies. I'm not positive. I assume HUD would be in them, but I'd have to verify that.
Well, I will encourage your department to really talk to HUD, because we cannot address the affordability crisis that we have in housing in this nation without tackling the issue of the cost of insurance in our country.
Absolutely.
Last February, the Treasury Department published a white paper that identifies several challenges in the financial services sector's growing reliance on third-party cloud service providers. In response, an executive steering committee was launched by the FSOC. How has the executive steering committee worked with the big three service providers and the member agencies to reduce identified challenges?
So the executive steering group has been very active on this issue. They have formed, I believe, 9 different public-private work streams. Each one is looking at a specific gap that was identified in the report that was issued last February, and they're trying to understand also what authorities the existing regulatory agencies have, how they have been using them, and they will release recommendations later this year.
Thank you.